Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in the IQ option broker using Neteller. As you can see, we are on the main page of our user panel in this broker. And to fund the account, we click on the deposit option. From the available methods for deposit, we select Neteller, as it is stated here, and the deposit using this method will be instant. After selecting the method, choose the amount you want to deposit. If you intend to use a promo code, enter it in this section and click on the Apply option. Otherwise, leave this section blank and click on the Proceed to Payment option. On the next page, you need to enter your Neteller account email in this section. After entering the email, click on the Proceed to Payment option. On the next page, you need to log into your account by entering your account password. We click on the Login option. We have been transferred to our Neteller account and are in the process of depositing $10 into the IQ option broker. After clicking on the payment option, the payment process will be completed successfully. And we can see the deposited balance in our IQ option account. We click on Pay Now. We can see in our IQ option account. We click on Pay Now. After completing the transaction, we return to the IQ option broker and can view the amount paid in our account. To view the details of this transaction, we can click on Balance History and have more information regarding this transaction. Stay with us for the upcoming tutorials about this broker. Goodbye.